Hello and welcome to this new video where we will show you how to clear the oil service warning light on your BMW motorcycle. First, start by plugging in your klavkarr scanner. You may need to use an adapter as shown here. Then turn on the ignition. The service warning light appears on your dashboard. Our klavkarr 210 or 310 scanner lets you clear the oil service warning light using a smartphone, Android or iPhone. Launch the app and to connect to your klavkarr, tap Connection and select it. Choose your vehicle make. Here we will select BMW Motorcycle and the model 2020 R1250GS. Make sure the ignition is on and tap It's done. In the window that opens, select the service interval ECU, then tap Next. In the pop-up that opens, tap the desired ECU here, Service Interval. Tap the measure icon. By tapping Tables and then Complete List, access the information for your motorcycle. You will be able to view a number of details, such as the motorcycle's internal date, the next service date, and the number of kilometers before the next one. Go back, tap Diagnosis, then Special Functions. You can clear the oil service warning light by changing the date and distance for the next service. Tap Execute next to set date of the next maintenance. Then tap OK, followed by Yes, after making sure your motorcycle's internal date is up to date. Change the date of the next service according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Here, add 1 year to today's date or confirm the pre-filled date, then tap OK. Make sure you keep the following format: 2 digits for the day, then 2 for the month, and finally 4 for the year, then press OK. The operation was successful. Tap OK. Then tap Execute next to set distance until next maintenance. Tap OK. Enter the number of kilometers according to the manufacturer's recommendations or confirm the pre-filled value and tap OK. The operation was successful. Tap OK. For the oil service counter to be properly reset and for the warning light to go out, you must complete both of the previous operations. Now, turn off the ignition. Wait a few minutes before turning it back on, and that's it. The warning light is off. If your motorcycle's internal date or time is not up to date, for example after a battery replacement, you can change them with your klavkarr. To do this, tap Diagnosis, then Special Functions. Tap Execute next to set internal date. An information pop-up tells you that this operation will reset the date. Tap OK to confirm. Set the date while keeping the following format: 2 digits for the day, then 2 for the month, and finally 4 for the year. Then tap OK. Tap OK once more. Then turn off the ignition. Feel free to like and share this video and to subscribe to our social media channels. See you soon.